Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Thursday, 18th of December. Alright, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so over here you're seeing a 4-hourly chart. As we know, the price has been resisted at the price of 1.3569. It begins to fall, and then it falls further on the FOMC press conference. So price has also broken below the support level of 1.2358, and we are expecting price to fall further to the previous low at 1.2250. So zooming the 1-hourly chart, what we want to wait for is a probable retracement to see if we go for the shorts again. Right, so based on the trend line, we are waiting for price to retrace back to the price of somewhere 1.2400. Alright, of course we're going to see and wait for a rebound. We may use Fibonacci retracements to determine the level. Alright, so hopefully it can retrace all the way up to 1.2414, retracement level of 0.2%. Right, so that is for the euro against the US dollar. And of course, the first level we're going to look for is the previous low, 1.2254, followed by the first exhaustion level, 1.2212, and next will be 1.2138. Right, that is looking on the downside. Right, so one thing to take note is that during the FOMC press conference, it is pretty clear that the Federal Reserve is looking at raising interest rates somewhere in April, but the only thing that's not so good is that they cut back on their interest rate projection. So that's why we actually experienced a whipsaw last night during the FOMC economic projections. It came down all the way during the press conference when the Federal Reserve is clear on raising interest rate early, right? But then again, it will be very dependent on the data, such as inflation, employment change, unemployment rate, stuff like that. So, yep, that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Right, so as we can see, this is a falling chart. There's a falling trend channel. Price has got resisted at the top, came all the way down, and now it is being supported at the bottom. Right, again, the movement that came down is also because of the FOMC press conference, and then it kind of gained a little bit as the GDP this morning is better than the forecast by the central bank. So right now we are actually expecting price to retrace further all the way back to the top, close somewhere at the top of the falling trend channel, and that is where we can look for a long. Alright, however, if you were to trade the retracement, the only thing is that the risk to reward ratio it is close to 1 to 2, but still below that. So not a very good recommendation, and the thing is that we are still expecting price to fall even further all the way back to the previous low at 0.7620. Alright, followed by 0.7576. So what we're going to wait over here is a retracement to go for the short. Right, simple as that. And next we have the pound against the US dollar. So again, price has fallen on the FOMC press conference, further supported at the previous low 1.5545, and we are seeing price is beginning to rebound and retrace. So therefore, again, we are waiting for price to retrace to a level for the shorts. So let's put Fibonacci retracements. Price of 38.2% could be a good level to go for the short again at the price of 1.5635. And also take note that previously there was a rising trend line, right, that has been supporting the price, and right now the price has already broken below. It may came back, it may retrace all the way back to the same level, I mean the same trend line and that's where we are looking for resistance and to go for the shorts. So first level back to the previous low and followed by 1.5475. Right, so that is pretty much for the pound against the US dollar. Of course, if it were to appreciate even further, then we'll be looking at the falling trend line over here, or rather the top of the overall falling trend channel, as we can see in the 4-hourly charts. Right, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we have the Australian dollar against the US dollar. This is the 1-hourly chart. We are seeing a falling trend channel that's forming over here. Price got supported at the bottom of the trend channel, appreciate a little bit, and got resisted at the 20 moving averages. A reversal candle has formed, and we're waiting for a confirmation. Right, but the best price to really wait for is really at the price of 0.8200, whereby it is also at the top of the falling trend channel. Right, so we are expecting price to fall all the way to the price of 0.7929, the second exhaustion level based on the weekly chart. Right, so that is for the Australia against the US dollar, and of course we are expecting price to fall further. Well, due to falling commodity prices. Aussie is a commodity currency, and as commodity price falls further, and when there's a mismatch, then Aussie will eventually fall further. And also take note that next year they are in 2015, the Reserve Bank of Australia might want to look at cutting rates. Right, there's already some projection by certain economies on that itself. So, alright, that's for the Australia against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. So previously there was a falling trend channel. Price got supported at the bottom, retracement level of 0.2% based on the 4-hourly charts, and it begins to appreciate. Got resisted at the top of the falling trend channel, but due to the FOMC press conference, it broke above and forms another minor rising trend channel over here. As you can see, price got resisted over here. We're waiting for price to retrace all the way back to the bottom of the falling trend channel, or hopefully at the previous resistance level at 117.58, or rather resistance and support level. So this area itself will be a key level for us to look for a long opportunity. All right. And first level on the top side is 119.52, followed by all the way to 121.99. To put it simple, 1.2200. So that is for the dollar against Japanese yen. Next, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. So similar to the euro against US dollar, of course, price appreciated after got supported at the top of the previous rising trend channel, as we can see over here. Right, so you rebounded, appreciated on the FOMC press conference. Right now we are seeing that price has gotten resisted. Right, in fact, it has broken a resistance level over here at the price of 0.7277. So we are expecting price to appreciate further. And right now we're just waiting for retracement. So zoom in the 1-hourly chart. Just plot a trend line. Right, so as price came down, touches the trend line itself, we can actually look for a long opportunity. If it comes all the way back and got supported at the price of 0.9623, that could be the next level to look at. And of course, the next after this level, that would be back to the top of the previous rising trend channel to go for a long. And on the upside, we'll look at 0.7855 as the first resistance level, and followed by 0.9846, the first exhaustion level, followed by 0.9901. So that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And next, I would like to touch on the Australia dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Alright, so let's go back to the monthly charts. Price has actually touches the previous low, or rather the support level over here. Alright, so as we can see that the price of 1.0, let's put it 1.050, so 1.05 is a key support level in the monthly chart. As we can see, there's a very huge range over here. So price touches and starts to rebound. Let's zoom in a little bit to the weekly chart. We are seeing a reversal candle is about to form. Zoom in the day one chart, a reversal candle has already formed. If the next candle were to form a confirmation, a bull candle, this could be a long opportunity for a major reversal. Right, same for the four-way chart. There's already signs of reversal. Right, so this is for the Australia against the New Zealand dollar. Just to plot a few levels. Alright, this could be the first level we are looking at. If price were to appreciate, the price of 4.0877, followed by 1.1033, and the current high at 1.1287. Also do take note that stochastic has already suggested oversold. Alright, so this could be a potential major retracement, a major reversal. And with that, I have come to the end of today's live trading analysis video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Thank you.